I'll show you guys how to write kanji. Yawa! Osaka, Japan, Doga, Japan, see Yuki. Okay, by the way, this time, I'm going to explain about Japanese history of kanji. Yo! Let's go. Why do Japan has 3 letters? I'll explain about it. The Japanese language is so confusing for you guys. Also for me. You don't bug Japanese, you know, or you don't know. Japanese language has 3 letters. Kanji, hiragana, and katakana. And I explain why are there 3 letters in Japan and what the usage of the letters. Yeah, there's kanji. Kanji is like, this is my name. In kanji, helping by God, and knight, horse riding man, knight. And sound is courage. And in hiragana, that's like Yuki, like this. So, before in Japan, there's no letters. People are communicating with only talking. Like, someone said something. What did he say? Kagimoko. Yawa! This is so inconvenient. Just talking can't record. That's inconvenient to remember. So writing is needed, but no letters in Japan before. But some more intelligent people imported kanji from China over 1,300 years ago. So long time. Japan imported kanji. So Japan started to use it. And Japan was using it for a long time. And the name was kanji because Kan's letter. That means Kan's letter. Kan means the country name of old China. And the Ji is Kan's letter. So kanji. Nowadays, that's Hanzi in China. That name is from kanji. They're same thing. And kanji is very complicated shape. Because that's from pictogram. Pictogram is like, that's from picture. That picture, like, so, sun, sunlight, sun became like this. This became kanji. Is a he. So, the kanji he, sun, is from picture of sun. Some kanjis are from pictogram and something like light. Kanji of light is this one. May or in China this is Mion, maybe, is combination of sun and moon. Baby, you're my sun and moon. Kanji is easy actually. There are lots of kanji letters, but parts are simple. That's combination. So kanji has meaning, not only sound. Nowadays the purpose is for noun, verb, many things. The important parts of the language in Japanese. So, understanding kanji is important to understand Japanese language. And it was like one kanji, one syllable. I mean, kanji has meaning, but someone was using kanji for just sound. Kanji was just attached to sound. So, like, this kanji, sorry, this is messy, but like, safe, this is safe, and so someone attached this kanji onto something sound, so someone started to read this one, so something like to express the language. I need to make kanji. I write something for you, how to express desire with kanji. I mean, that's man-yoga. This one, ma-yon hapon was like ma-yon hapon, like this. This is confusing. Diba? I write it. Okay. I'll show you guys how to write kanji. Yon, yawa! Diba? Lisod mag-kanji, diba? Pistin yawa. Yawa sa kanji. This is the problem of kanji. This was man-yoga na. This is from kanji. One letter, one syllable. But this is confusing. Pistin yawa. Tai. So, Japanese novel women developed. Yawa! Japanese novel women normalized the kanji. This is And this is cursive writing. And more cursive is like this. This is still A. So this is hiragana. Nowadays, hiragana. Hiragana was born. So hiragana is from manyogana. So that got more easier to write, to express sound. So hiragana has only sound, no meaning. No meaning actually. So writing Japanese with only hiragana is still fine. So that's easy to read. No need to remember all kanji. Maybe Japanese learners know how hassle is remembering kanji. So using only hiragana is convenient, but actually hiragana doesn't have meaning, just sound. And hiragana is for prefix or suffix or just reading for kanji if that's difficult to read. Only using hiragana looks like
children.
Actually, because children use only hiragana first, and children study kanji little by little using 9 years. If you want to be more adult writing, you should learn kanji. And katakana, about katakana. Actually, that's also from manyogana. So I need to show you example. This is also manyogana. This is one letter, one syllable. This is E, just sound E. But this is confusing this mug right. So someone just extracted this part. That'd be easier. Let's use only this part. So this is also E. Easy. 340. So this is katakana. Katakana is born. So both hiragana and katakana are from kanji. And hiragana is cursive writing, and katakana is just part of kanji. And its usage is different. Katakana is for foreign words, like Mayon Hapon. Japanese write it with katakana. Or English, like McDonaldo. McDonaldo is katakana. Like onomatope, kira kira, peta peta, sara sara. This is this expression of sound that's written with katakana. But sometimes hiragana, because hiragana looks like little soft or gentle. Robot sound or talking of foreign people is written in katakana because just explaining, because that's unnatural sound. So robot voice is written in katakana. Japanese language has 3 letters, and kanji is for meaning, and hiragana is just for sound, but that's for also prefix and suffix, or many things, or reading of kanji. And katakana is also, but especially for foreign words, or unnatural expression. Those make the language rich. Okay, it's over. Salamat sa pagpunta sa akong live. Thank you for watching my live. I hope you guys got interested in Japanese language. See you next time. Bye bye.